Meaning of inductive.
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 Inductive. The term inductive refers to a type of reasoning in which general principles or theories are inferred from specific observations or instances. This method involves moving from the particular to the general, drawing conclusions based on patterns that have been observed in the data. Inductive reasoning is often used in scientific research to develop hypotheses or theories that can be tested through further investigation. Overall, the inductive approach allows researchers to gain insights and develop new knowledge by examining the evidence and drawing conclusions based on observation and analysis.